I love food and, of course, eating.
I'm just gonna be here eating this.
As a single woman living in the city of Atlanta and growing up in Georgia, I mix together my southern roots and urban lifestyle to make healthy recipes that remind me of home,
That is tasty, my friends.
travel, and my urban life. But being an award-winning producer and host, I don't have a lot of spare time. So my meals are simple and easy with a focus on whole ingredients. There is something beautiful about cooking with fresh ingredients from scratch.
Look at that. It's like the Leaning Tower of carrots.
And I'm sharing that love of fresh food with you.
It's a little messy over here. Oh my gosh.
And sometimes it gets a little messy.
On aisle 9. Okay, thank you. I'm getting covered in avocado juice. My pants.
But then we always make time to get moving in the kitchen.
You know what time it is? Cue the music.
And along the way, I'm sharing some of my healthy lifestyle tips too. So on this show, you will learn tasty recipes and healthy lifestyle tips that will knock your socks off.
What if I told you that you could have ice cream and still eat healthy?
Join me and let's make it homemade and healthy. You can stream Southern Urban Life with Savannah Pratt every week on YouTube.